2, I am giving the hint for you. Point P is 50 millimeter from both the reference planes. Both the reference planes means this is HP and this is the VP. So both the reference planes means there is the 4 chances are there. Suppose here 50, here 50. Suppose the point lies here. This gap is 50 and this gap also 50. So P lies in first quadrant. Suppose P lies here. This is 50. This is 50. So this is second quadrant. Whenever suppose P is here 50 50. This is third quadrant. Suppose P is here 50 and 50. Fourth quadrant. Nothing but in this problem there are 4 chances are there. P occupies here. This is first quadrant. P occupies here in the second quadrant. P occupies here. This is third quadrant. P occupies here in fourth quadrant. Suppose P occupies in first quadrant. Our projections are this is XY line. XY line. Above HP 50 millimeter above HP, 50 millimeters in front of VP. So that's why 50 millimeter above, 50 millimeter below. So this is front view is above and top view is below. This is 50. In the similar manner, this is also 50. This is the first case. For the case 1, the point is in first quadrant. That's why above HP in front of VP. Suppose the point is in second quadrant. Above HP, behind of it. That's why both are coincide in the single line. Here see, this is XY. Both are above XY only. Here 50. So P and P dash both occupies here only. So this is 50. So in this way you want to do third and fourth also. Why? Because in first quadrant, your front view is above, top view is below. In second quadrant, both occupies, both are above and distances are same. That's why both are coincide in a single point. So now we want to see the question number 3. State the quadrant in which the following points are situated. So point A is top view is 40 millimeter above XY. That front view is 20 millimeter below the top view. Suppose the question number 3. Suppose you want the point A. Here point P, its top view. So point is P. So top view means small p. Front view means P dash. So P dash. How they are given the data? So that is the XY line. This is XY line. Front view is top view is 40 millimeter below XY. Top view means what? P. 40 millimeter below XY. So this is 40 millimeter below XY. And front view is 20 millimeter below the top view. Below the top view 20 millimeter. So this is the top view. Below top view means here you want to extend one more 20. One more 20. This is P dash. Nothing but in this case front view, top view both are below XY line. Below XY line means this is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Why? Because this is below HP and in front of VP. So in front of VP is there and below HP is there. So that's why it occupies in fourth quadrant. So point P occupies in fourth quadrant. Why? Because here front view is below HP, top view is in front of VP. So here in fourth quadrant, below HP and in front of VP. That's why this is in fourth quadrant. In this way you want to do question number 3, A, B. And next question number 4. Here in question number 4, here this is very important problem. Point P 50 millimeter above HP, 20 millimeter in front of VP. Another point Q 25 millimeter behind the VP, 40 millimeter below the HP. Draw projections of P and Q, keeping the distance between their projectors equals to 90 mm. Draw straight line joining their top views and their front views. Why? Because this is the 5 marks question problem. This is question number 4. See, remember that first you want to draw XY line. Draw XY line. Here there is no restriction of length. Your convenient length you want to draw XY line. This is called reference line. First you want to take the point P. So 50 millimeter above HP and 20 millimeter in front of VP. Above HP means wherever you want to take, first you want to take above HP. This is 50 millimeter. So front view means P dash. The gap is 15. Why? Because 15 millimeter above HP. That's why this is 50 millimeter above HP. 20 millimeters in front of VP. That's why this is 20 millimeter in front of VP. So this is P. So this gap is 20 millimeter in front of VP. So first you want to draw projections of point P. So 15 millimeter above HP, 20 millimeter in front of VP, and draw the projections of P and Q, keeping the distance between projectors equal to 90 mm. So this is one projector. Second projector is here. The gap between them is 90. So from here you want to focus 90 millimeter gap. Take 90 millimeter gap. Then here you want to start projection of Q. Q is 25 millimeter behind of VP. Behind means above. So that's why 25 millimeter behind of VP. So this is Q. This gap is 25 millimeter behind of VP and 40 millimeter below HP. So here 40 millimeter below HP. This is Q dash. This gap is 40 millimeter. So that's why first you want to draw the projections of point P here. 50 millimeter above HP, 20 millimeter in front of VP. Now put the gap in between the projectors is 90 mm. Why? Because the given data 90 mm. Now draw the projections of Q. This is 25 millimeter behind of VP. Wherever the point is VP, that is top view. Wherever the point is HP, that is front view. So this is 40 millimeter below HP. Now join them by using scale. Now front view to front view. This is front view and this is front view. Just join them by a HP length. This is front view and this is top view and this is top view. You want to join them. This is top view. So problem is over.